Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another edition of the High Deseret Ranch channel. Today I'm going to, along with the help of Shane and his boy, going to show you exactly how to deworm these little piglets using a syringe and needle and the proper ways and techniques to do it. And little hearing aids are required because these guys, they do screech really loud when they get excited. So let me be your ticket to help escape the ordinary and find out just what it's like to live the high life here on the High Deseret Ranch channel, and let's get started. So before we have to give the little pigs their shots, we got to put in a gate in this fence, and probably should have measured, right? If it's gonna work. Before we put that, before we put the pole in.
I got an idea.
Oh, look at that, dude! You can't ask for anything prettier.
Oh, nice. Man,
That's like perfect.
we're like doing finished carpentry here in the hog pen.
If we had to do that, this would get
Tight tolerances. Yeah, you boys.
You didn't want to have to pull that pole out and redo it?
No.
You boys are a bunch of rock chucks. You really dug a good hole for that post. All right.
Hey, throw that dirt in there. Tap that baby.
We do employ child labor here on the ranch for tax purposes, of course.
Tried to bring the football team out here, but my wife got mad.
Yeah.
So you always ask for forgiveness later, Shane. Come on. You should know that after 20 years of marriage, right? 20?
Yeah. Teamwork.
Exactly.
Teamwork,
Because them hogs are going to be tougher than any defender or offensive player you meet on the field. Tackling, holding, right? Holding on to that for that tackle, right?
Wow, good work, boys. Good work.
I pounded it?
Absolutely. All right, well, let's get this gate set then.
Dad, do you want me to pound it?
Back leg's messed up. His front leg's messed up.
Sounds like one of my grandpa's cows. Hey, why are they kind of skinny?
Yeah, that's what he's not. That one back leg, he's not even putting any pressure on it. So.
Yeah. We'll go to the vet tomorrow and get some of that pour on, huh? You think that'll help, or an injection too? Both?
I think you're going to want to do an injection too.
Okay.
The way it looks.
Man, I gave you guys praise too early. Now I got to call you the milkman.
Sure.
You milking it here in the shade, huh?
Flies on the toilet seat. Flies on the toilet seat. Flies on the toilet seat.
So
Here we sit.
nice.
Flies on the toilet seat.
Nice and cool here in the shade.
Waiting for Cooper to pound in a staple.
Meanwhile, I'm slaving away over in that hot 65-degree sun, putting on that auto feeder.
Waiting for Cooper to pound in a staple.
You boys are asking when you get to tackle some hogs. Well, if we finish up,
Yeah.
I got an idea.
because once we get them in this pen, they ain't gonna want to get near us. They're going in.
Oh,
And
They're gonna
I just thought about this.
hey, clean all that stuff out of there.
We didn't bring ear protection. So you guys ready for some high-pitched squeal?
one more staple.
Yeah, get all this cleaned up. We gotta be responsible organic farmers. Yeah. Blue skies, untainted by aerosol spray. All right, Shane, milkmen, milk boys.
I'm going.
Where are we gonna do this deed at, Shane? Where's you thinking? So
In there somewhere. I'm just going to have to hold them. When they squeal.
Like Robert, or you hold them.
So the mission objective, boys, should you choose to accept, is we gotta get 6 of these very tame pigs. See how tame they are? They're gonna be just as tame when we go to move them. You gotta put 6 of them in that hog pen over there.
Keep 6 in here.
And keep 6 in here and give all 12 of them shots. So you just wanna do it right in the pen?
So we pretty much gotta catch every single pig because we gotta
Yeah,
get.
we got to catch everything.
When are we gonna get the pigs?
And calmly, while they're still kind of calm, what's the kind of injection we're gonna give them, boys? Subcatenous, which is gonna be on the back side. It's going to be on the back side of the ear and just in front of the shoulder, but not, it's different from a Intramuscle.
Grab by the back legs.
And hand them to me.
Okay.
Intramuscle. We're not going to do that one. It's going to be on an angle, just in the fat and underneath the skin. Are we ready?
Let's do it.
Alrighty.
Heavy.
How long have you had that pig?
I guess she wants a shot too, huh? No, you don't want this kind of shot, Tammy. You already got one.
Look at that one. Look at that one. He's trying to cut over. Can we get him?
So what's this injection called, boys?
I know. Whatever. Whatever it's called.
Subcatenous.
Oh, subcatenous.
It's where we don't go into the muscle, we just go into the skin. Yeah, that's the power of the swine right there.
When are we gonna get him?
Hang on!
No one wanted to do the injection, but fellas. Now they won't come near us for what, a month at least? Good work, fellas.
Good work, boys.
Helping to bring home the bacon. Yeah, let's get him some.
Go home, have a shower.
Let's give him fresh water.
Oh, I'm gonna do that.
Give him fresh water. A bite to eat. Oh yeah, and the pigs too. Do all that for the pigs.
Can we play after this?
That's the definition of hog wild, huh, Shane? Huh, boys?
Yeah, buddy.
And these guys are fatigued.
How are you gonna do that?
That's the one thing about
Them
pigs.
olden days.
What's that?
Not near the olden days.
That's right.
The wild days.
Wild days of the Wild West. So you notice the one is slightly bleeding just a little bit. That's the one I actually didn't pinch the skin. So yeah, and if you don't pinch the skin when you inject the needle, they get a little bit of bleeding. They should be okay. Sometimes you just need to use a little iodine. All right, so the key with the subcatenous injection is to go in at a 45 directly behind the ear, but in front of the shoulder on like a 45-degree angle. That way you don't want to go into the muscle, especially with ivermectin. You don't get as good of overall like circulation into the body. But if you try and go other parts in the body, especially with the ivermectin, it's been known to taint the meat, especially the ham portion if you do it in the rear. You can do it underneath the belly side, in front of the rear leg if you're going to do the same kind of injection. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments below. And if you're in doubt, just get a vet to do it. If you can get vets that can come out and do house calls anymore. So they're actually like coming up to me. They must really be hungry, huh, Shane?
Yeah, they must be hungry. I wonder if we need to put some a little bit either on the ground or to the side.
Oh crap. Tate, you want to grab that water that's just coming out of the sow or coop? Yeah, maybe, because I can bring over another. I've got another cut off barrel that I can bring over tomorrow too, if you want to do that. Does she have enough water, Tate?
I'm worried about that little one.
This runt? It's not been getting a lot of feed, huh?
He's been the one that's been left out.
Well, welcome to your new home, piggies. Well, Shane, anything else to add before we sign off?
Good day. Don't let your pigs get any bigger than this before you give them shots.
Yeah, they're about as big as you want them to be. Otherwise, you need like a little squeeze chute or something. Yeah, but we got former all-star wrestler Shane here. He just manhandled it, and I did the easy part, just poked him. So, alrighty, well, that's about it. That's gonna do it here on the ranch. So hopefully you guys learned a few things, what to do, what not to do, and that we were your ticket to help escape the ordinary and find out just what it's like to live the high life here in the high desert of the Intermountain West, only on the High Deseret Ranch channel. Portions of this episode were not endorsed or sponsored by Mountain Dew or Pepsi Cola Incorporated.